Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 and let me show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here at the second position we have audio control option, so it should allow us to take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords to our camera. Now let's pick it. And as you can see, we can change it between say keyword like cheese to take photo, or we can pick also speak loudly, so raise your voice to take a photo. By just simply tapping on them, you can pick whatever you need or just turn it off here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.